7 weeks old, and he's going to get a bath today. So this is his first time, so we just put a little bit of water in the sink. We're going to give him a couple of treats.
Just woke him up. He's not awake yet.
He's not awake yet. Well, that's good. He won't be too grumpy.
When you get him with the water.
Bathing him in our kitchen, so this isn't any kind of grooming shop, and not anybody can do this at home. But you do want to make sure that the water is just reasonably warm, not too hot, not too cold. And we just soak them all down, and with Labradors especially, you got to get all the way down to their skin. He's probably almost 10 pounds now, so probably the last time he'll fit in the sink to get washed. They'll grow fast. Got them all soaked down. Now we use a shampoo from Healthy Pet Net that's got all organic ingredients. It's safe for the puppies even at this age, and it's all organic and got all natural ingredients. Herbs and stuff. So we just soak them all down underneath his legs. Make sure he's nice and clean.
Don't do your face with your eyes.
Yeah, don't get any water in their face or their ears. That's just brain problem. So once he's all soaked up, we put him into the rinse cycle. And make sure you get all the soap off.
More treats.
Now Labradors, depending on their activity, you know, you might want to give them a bath once a month. Not too often, certainly not. And any dog really doesn't need to be bathed once a week. That's really too much. You can dry their skin out, give them all kinds of skin conditions. You don't want to bathe him too much. So where did the puppy go? He's getting towel dried right now.
I know there's one in here. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Go to a dryer towel, and he goes for the treats. That's okay. Keep him occupied for a couple minutes while he's being dried. And if you have a little dog and you want to give your dog a bath yourself, you could save some money by not taking him to the groomers too much. I mean, certainly if it's got a long coat and you need him to be groomed, that's a good idea, but Labs are pretty low maintenance, a little bit of brushing once in a while and a bath once in a while, and they're good to go.
Wasn't so bad, was it? That wasn't so bad, was it? Now you get the hair dryer.
Yeah, next step is the hair dryer. I'm used to,
Okay, now.
so we just get used to seeing the hair dryer, which is not a problem. And then I'll turn it on a little bit further away from him and bring it closer. And just use the hair dryer. Don't get the front of the hair dryer too close to the skin. Just if you're drying your own hair, you don't want to burn the skin. Keep it on low. Make sure you get all the parts.
Lots of treats.
Yeah, lots of treats. Okay, now comes the belly dry.
Turn your arms.
Your arms.
I want to jitterize you, though, do we? Legs. You feel pretty good. Pretty dry. Okay.
And there you go. Little Yankee is all clean, ready to go.
And very happy, aren't you? Are you happy?
Yeah, treats.